Hi friends, we're hearing bad news these days about the coronavirus and the economy, and we're hearing mixed news about the housing market and how the economy may or may not be affecting the housing market. So I wanted to just share two main points with you and then talk about our real estate market here in the Tampa Bay area. So the first thing that I want to share is that most financial institutions are talking about a recovery that's this V-type recovery. And as you can see here, they're predicting that the bottom of this very sudden drop is going to hit roughly the middle of the second quarter. And then we're going to have a pretty rapid recovery after that. How rapid? Well, some experts, those who Keeping Current Matters has reported on, they are predicting that it's going to be about a 2-year recovery for the unemployment rates to get from the predicted 15% rate at the bottom back to where we were prior to the coronavirus. So here we can see that 2-year V. During the last recession, it took about 9 years, and during the Great Depression, it took about 12 years for those unemployment rates to get back up to the pre-crisis numbers, or back down to those pre-crisis numbers, I should say. So how is this all affecting our real estate market here? Well, I can tell you that buyers are still buying and sellers are still selling. The shift that we saw a little bit in this month of April is that the number of homes for sale in April of 2020 versus April of 2019 is that the numbers are down by about 250 or 300, depending on whether you're looking at Pinellas or Hillsborough counties. So what that means for homeowners who really need to sell is that there's less competition on the market. And what it means for buyers who really need to buy is, look, the interest rates are really low, and so they've got more buying power than they would have if the interest rates were a little bit higher. We're still seeing buyers and sellers getting to the closing table. We're seeing people moving to their next homes, whether it's here in Florida, or we even help buyers and sellers, buyers move to other parts of the country. So the takeaway is this: if you need to sell, now is a great time, and it's safe. When you choose the Junebug Home Team, you are working with agents who are following all of the CDC's guidelines for safe practices for showing homes. We also do a very thorough check with our buyers to be sure that any property that they are wanting to see, they are completely pre-qualified or pre-approved to see it, that they know everything about the property before they go and see it, to reduce the risk of there being a deal breaker that comes up and now they've basically kind of wasted the showing. So we want to make sure that any buyer who steps foot into a property has been pre-screened and kind of pre-approved, so to speak. So the bottom line is this: if you need a smart and experienced agent to help sell your home or to help you find your next home, we're here for you. We have the expertise, we have the experience to get you where you need to go. So thanks for taking a few minutes to listen. I know I speak for the whole Junebug Home Team when I say that we all pray that you and your loved ones are healthy and safe.